The 1953 Corvette was first introduced as the X122 concept car. The X122 debuted at the General Motors Motorama Auto Show in 1953. Harley Earl designed the EX122 concept, capturing significant public interest. The design was influenced by European sports cars of the time. The initial vision was to create an affordable American sports car. The Corvette aimed to offer sports car appeal at a competitive price point. The Corvette pioneered the use of fiberglass for its body, a departure from traditional steel. This module illustrates the manufacturing process of these innovative fiberglass panels. Fiberglass offers advantages like weight reduction in automotive production. However, challenges include specific tooling costs associated with fiberglass manufacturing. The 1953 Corvette was originally equipped with a 235 cubic inch inline-six engine. It also featured a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. This module will explain the engineering choices behind this specific powertrain. It will also cover its performance limitations and the reasons for its selection. The first Corvettes encountered significant production challenges. Fiberglass construction was a novel and complex process at the time. The car's design complexity added to the manufacturing difficulties. Achieving consistent quality on the assembly line proved problematic. Solutions were needed to address the quality control issues. The assembly line process was adapted to overcome these challenges. The 1953 Corvette faced early criticism regarding its performance capabilities. Critics often compared it unfavorably to contemporary European sports cars. This module will analyze the Corvette's handling and acceleration metrics. The analysis aims to clarify factors influencing its perceived lack of sportiness. These factors contributed to the initial perception of underwhelming performance. The 1953 Corvette garnered considerable attention from American consumers. It was initially marketed as a stylish and modern sports car. The Corvette's design and concept appealed to a broad audience. Enthusiasm was driven by the car's innovative features and aesthetics. However, the car also faced criticisms from automotive enthusiasts. These criticisms often focused on the car's performance and build quality. The 1953 Corvette significantly influenced the American sports car market. It solidified Chevrolet's reputation as an automotive innovator. The Corvette had a notable cultural impact in the 1950s. It set a precedent for future Corvette models in terms of design and performance. The 1953 Corvette quickly achieved iconic status among car enthusiasts. Its influence extends to modern sports car design and automotive culture. The 1953 Corvette is a highly sought-after collector's item. Many 1953 Corvettes are undergoing restoration and preservation. Restoration involves challenges in maintaining the car's original features. Preserving the historical significance of the car is of utmost importance.